Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about present simple form. I will divide this presentation into three parts. The first point is positive form, the second point is negative form, and the third point is question form. Okay, so we begin the first point. The first point is positive form. Okay, the positive form of present simple is subject plus verb 1. Example number 1. I always get up at 5 a.m. So I is the subject and get up is the verb 1. Number 2. Mary want to play tennis with you. Mary is the subject and one is verb 1. Example number 3. Her brother is absent today. So her brother is subject and is verb 1. Let's go to the second point. The second point is negative form. The negative form of present simple is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Example, we don't divide you. So we is the subject, don't is do plus not, and divide is not, and divide is verb 1. Example number 2. Mr. Sok doesn't drink coffee very often. So Mr. Sok is the subject, doesn't is does plus not, and drink is verb 1. Example number 3. His uncle and aunts don't seem to be interested in him. His uncle and aunt is the subject, don't is do plus not, and seem is verb 1. Example number 4. Dara's little brother doesn't stay alone. Dara's little brother is the subject, doesn't is does plus not, and stay is the verb 1. Let's to the third point. Question form. The question form of present simple is do plus does. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1. We go to the example. Example number 1. What time do you usually have dinner? So what is WA question? Do plus you is the subject and have is the verb 1. Example number 2. Do you agree with my plan? So do is the first and plus you is the subject and agree is verb 1. Number 3. What does this word mean? What is the WA question, and does plus this word is subject and mean is verb 1. Example number 4. Does Tida look beautiful? Does plus Tida is the subject and looks is the verb 1. Yes, my presentation today is going to the end. So thank you everyone for being here. Let's meet me in the next video about definition of present simple.